who are intelligent here would have seen that I've not gone anywhere near the water. The fluid that's hiding around the palette is enough for the moisture. You go in there, load up a wet wash, and you're finished. It won't break. There, balcony, all with one brush. A window. Is it a window? Not really, it's just an illusion of one. Two strokes, a little bit underneath, some railing, and those who are intelligent would have noticed. I'm not even going back there. There's enough stuff in this to do 3, 4, half a dozen windows, if it's loaded up to the bottom. How good is that? I save money. There's a balcony there actually, and then behind there, there's that doorway underneath. This is where the Chinese calligraphy comes in, so the Singapore crowd here should do well with this. Here is an illusion of a building. It's not a building, it's just a couple of dark marks on this dirty wash, but it convinces a viewer that that is a building. Alright, so I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to go to this lovely central thing. I'm looking forward to it. I have a plan. Hitler had a plan. Australians love making jokes. We instantly make jokes. Remember when there was a dingo and it took away a baby and killed it in this area? That was a shocking miscarriage of justice. Remember it? Within hours, there was a joke around, 2 dingoes in front of the tent. Shall we eat in or take away? But 2 hours after it happened. Shocking joke, but that's how Australians are. They just make a joke of any bloody thing. Any. Poor Lindy, she didn't end up well. She married in America, lost her mind a bit. I don't know what happened. Anything like that would destroy you, wouldn't it? Chinese shopping list. Milk, bread. I'm sure this says something in Chinese. Must. It's necessary. What are they? What are the TV aerials and chimneys and things? They're hooks, sky hooks. There was a band known. It grips onto the sky space. Their fingers pointing up. They are Velcro. They lock into the sky. So you don't have this awkward line. Where is my dangerous guy? This one. He was doing buildings with it. None of them had any chimneys or anything. They were just straight. So there's no connection to the sky. So I forced him to put some chimneys in and it looked a lot better.